Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas. Now this particular category is an interior stateroom, but it has a virtual balcony. I'll go over that in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea cruise, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now I mentioned that we're in an interior virtual balcony. That's right here to my left. So essentially it's the same as an interior stateroom. They've put in a large screen TV so that you can see what's going on outside the ship. Kind of solves one of those issues that you have with an interior stateroom, and I like that they do it. We actually have it off right now just to point out the fact that you can turn it off. I've had that question quite a few times. Now let's check out the full room. Now as soon as you enter the door here, to my left, you're going to find your storage. So you've got quite a bit of closet space. All the way across is hanging storage, storage up and down. You can pull those down for a little bit more, and then you have more up above as well. Now directly across, you'll find the bathroom. Let's head in there. So as I step in, it's the same bathroom that you're going to find in all the balconies, ocean views, and insides here on the ship. You've got your vanity here, you've got storage behind each mirror all the way up and down, and then underneath you'll have a bit of storage as well. You've got the toilet tucked in the corner, and I'll step in the shower here just to show you. I love that they don't have a shower curtain. They've got this bowed out shower door. It actually works really well, and I can fit. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6". Not a ton of room to move around, but I like that they have the adjustable shower one. And like I said, I can fit in here pretty well. Now as we head through the rest of the room, you've got a writing desk here that will double as a vanity. You've got two large lights, and then you also have storage behind each mirror. You've got your temperature control tucked away. You're going to have drawers up and down, which is also where you'll find your hairdryer you can utilize throughout your stay here. And then you've got two US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra European adapter or converter so I can use all the plugs in the room. And it is important to point out those are the only plugs in the room, so you'll utilize those for charging. Now you're going to have your flat panel TV here. It can turn and angle towards the bed or towards the reading chair that you have tucked in the corner. Above here, you're going to have a little bit more storage. And then when I open this up, this is where you're going to find your safe. Perfect size for passport and wallets, not quite big enough for a laptop. Your mini fridge is tucked just underneath here. They're going to have that in every cabin category. And then here you'll find the bed. Now it's put together in what they call a Royal Queen configuration. They can also separate it apart into two twins if you would like. You've got storage space underneath for your luggage, storage on either side of the nightstands, and you also have a reading light and a lamp. Now one thing that I did want to point out, the main plugs are over on the desk. On the side of the phone there, you actually do have a USB charger. So when they refurbished the ship, they added those to the phones throughout the ship. Now, this is the virtual balcony, as I mentioned. I love the idea that you can see what's going on outside, even in an inside cabin, so it may be worth a few extra dollars to upgrade for you. Now, when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans, and you can... Now, when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.